Learn how to create content quickly and easily with this quick course. Now, the course has actually been removed in a couple of hours, in fact, less than 4 hours today, but you can still actually get a hold of the course if you join Taking Action Online membership. But let's talk about the course quickly. And what it is it's showing you how to actually use an AI tool to actually speed up your blog post writing, your social media writing, any copywriting, anything that you need to actually have text or some form of content. It'll help you quickly and easily speed this up. Now, I did a full review video. You can go and check that out in the top right hand corner, and you can go and see what it's all about. But basically, it's about Philip Borrowman, who is a 6-figure affiliate marketer, showing you how he actually quickly and easily creates a blog post in 35 minutes that's 1,500 words and is already search engine optimized. So that is what he uses it for. You can use it for anything. And if you're like me and you suffer from writer's block and you find it difficult to actually quickly write your emails and your blog posts, then this is for you. Yes, he uses an AI tool that costs about $9 a month to use, but it's cheaper than actually paying for somebody to outsource it. And if it speeds up your time, you are saving money in the long run. Now, the link is down in the description. There is one OTO, and this is the OTO here. It is to get a 3-day trial for $1 to Taking Action Online. And with Taking Action Online, if you're a member with that, you actually get 20 steps to show you how to build your business from the ground up in any niche, and he shows you different ways that you can use to actually drive traffic. But it's not just that, there's also strategy guides that you get, and there's also extra training that you get that covers things like how to actually drive traffic from, say, Quora, and then there's PLR with that as well, and there's also some social media posts as well. So also, if you're a member, you actually get these rapid courses that Philip keeps creating as part of your membership, and you can actually see that if you log in and you are a Taking Action Online member. So if you actually miss this sale, you can actually still get a hold of volume 1 and volume 2 if you're a Taking Action Online member, and you can actually get that for $23.50 for 1 month if you use the coupon code 50 off, and it's usually $47. I've also done a review totally on Taking Action Online as well. Like I say, you've only got a couple of hours to grab hold of this course that is 10 modules long, very in-depth, very detailed, and shows you some really great hints and tips of using this AI tool. I purchased this the actual tool before I saw Philip's training, and I learned some really great tips and tricks using that tool. So the link will be down in the description, and like I said, only a few hours left to get a hold of this. But if you've missed this sale, don't forget you can still get a hold of it if you are a member of Taking Action Online. And if you're already a member of Taking Action Online, make sure you log into your dashboard and go and check this course out, because it's there for you already.